Hi everyone, I hope you people are doing great. I am Punya Agarwal, ACC affiliate, co-founder of Being ACCA. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview as to how am I going to go with the AA crash course for September 25 attempt. I have been doing test series, AA mentorship, AA and AAA mentorship from past 2.53 years, and I have received a good response, and that is the reason I am bringing forward with the crash course this time. I did it in the June attempt as well, and now coming forward for the September attempt also. So I want to share every detail regarding the crash course, and then you can, if you think that this will be something which is helpful for you, then you can think of registering for the same. If I quickly go forward with who this crash course is mainly for, which type of students can mainly join the crash course, is repeaters who are looking to fix the past mistakes. Basically, if you were not able to unfortunately clear in the last attempt, which is the June attempt, or previously also if you failed it previously, and now you are thinking you need a custom personalized mentorship, because we at Being SSA are just catering to the personalized mentorship. If you're somebody who wants to fix your past mistakes, you want to identify where did you go wrong, and you want to revise the entire syllabus as well with me, then this revision batch would be very helpful for you. Students struggling with the understanding of audit concepts. So if you're somebody who is probably self-studying and right now you do not have any mentorship with you, and it is becoming a little difficult for you to understand certain portions of the syllabus, then again, if this revision batch is again for you. And those who want structured mentorship, so basically all of the details that I'm going to discuss here. So if you want a structured mentorship to pass your September attempt, then again, this revision batch is for you. Just a disclaimer, guys, if you are a new student or if you are somebody who do not know the concepts yet, then this revision batch is not for you, because revision batch basically means that I am going to revise, I am going to do practice with you. I'm not going to explain the concepts from scratch with you. I'm going to revise those for you. So if you are somebody who is new to it, then probably, of course, it's not there for you. Then in that case, if you want like test series, then you can go ahead with the test series, not for the crash course, not for the revision batch. All right, now what all does it include? Let's go forward with that also. Let's understand that as well. So the first thing that it includes is chapter wise recorded session accessible until the exam date on the Being ACCA portal. So as you people know that there are 12 chapters in AA audit and assurance paper. So recorded videos, and not very lengthy, they would be very crisp to the point, and I will try and explain everything possible over that video. But it will be a revision of those chapters, so they will be available on the Being ACCA portal, and the access to the recordings will be available from now on till the day of your exam, which is in September. All right, so that's one thing. Second thing is one live session after every major topics. I'm going to share I'm sure show the schedule also, so you'll get to know how many live sessions are we also going to have. It's not just recorded that I'm giving you the recordings and you watch and do your own work. No, I'm also going to have live session with you, so that if you're having any doubts, if you want me to repeat any topic, we can do that as well. Question practice and evaluation for last 3 past papers. So September December 4 past paper, March June 24 past paper, September December 23 past paper. These 3 past papers are going to be covered in the revision batch, which means that I am going to, you have to attempt these questions individual topic wise, and I'm going to evaluate them for you on the set deadlines that I'll be showing in the schedule. Then AA regular test series. So if you know what Being ACCA test series is basically 6 topic wise tests will be you will be attempting, and 1 mock evaluation will be included. So this test series is also included in the revision batch. So if you were thinking of going ahead with the test series also, then probably this, you don't have to pay anything extra. It's all included into one thing. So that's that. 1 additional mock evaluation. So test series students only get 1 mock evaluation, whereas in crash course or in the revision batch, we are going to have 2 mock evaluations. So that's that. One would be the pre September mock evaluation, and another would be, I'll tell you what the mock you have to attend. Then one-on-one session with mentor towards last stage of preparation. So as I previously mentioned as well, that we at Being SSA always cater towards personalized mentorship. So once we're done with all of the tests, once the mock evaluation was also done, howsoever students I have in the batch, although they will be limited because I want to have quality over quantity, I will be having individual sessions, 15-20 minutes individual sessions also towards the end, not just a cumulative live session with everybody, because when we are sitting one on one, it becomes a little easier for you also to tell me your mistakes and tell me your fears regarding the exam, right? So again, that one on one session is also going to happen. Guidance and mentorship till exam. This is very very common in everything that we do. Guidance and mentorship is always there with us, so that is again which is part of the crash course as well. Then what makes it unique is it is trusted by hundreds of students already. There are, I would say, in last 2.5 3 years, I've catered to more than 300-400 students for the test series. And so they, you can check out the testimonials on our Instagram page, and on the highlights you'll check out the testimonials. Personal mentorship from experienced mentors. So as I just mentioned about the personalized mentorship, so that's also what the revision batch is. Focus on past paper question practice and examiner mindset. Again, past papers, as I mentioned, 3 full-fledged past papers I am going to evaluate with for you. So that's that. Strategic test series and double mock advantage. So 2 mocks will be given, and test series of course is included. So this is the basic of the revision batch. Now let me also show you the schedule as to how are we going to go about it. So it is starting from 21st of July 2025 after your results, and this is the schedule. This will also be available on the Being SSCF portal for the crash course. So chapter 1 and 2, so these are very basic chapters, will be, the recordings will not be more than half an hour long. So I've given you till 22nd of July, so you have to complete the recordings, half an hour to 45 minutes maximum recording you have to complete in the day. That is the Tuesday. And then the next day, corporate and ethics, corporate governance and ethics and acceptance. This is chapter number 4 and chapter number 3. These two again are, would the recordings would not be more than half hour or 1 hour long. And mind you, these recordings are all new. That means I've just prepared them 10-15 days back. So they are not any older recordings I'm sharing with you people. It's a very, very new recordings. So 23rd of July, again, one day, I think it's more than enough to watch a recording for half an hour to 45 minutes. So that's also there. Then the next chapter, which is risk and planning. This also is your chapter, which is the major first topic for your section B. These topics are mainly tested for your section A. And then when we start from here, these are the major topics that are tested in section B. So I have given 2 days for this topic because again, the recordings of course won't be that long, but I still want to give more time over here because this is a very important topic and you should be able to understand this really, really very well. So that's your July, 25th of July, you have to complete till Friday. And then till 27th of July. So basically 25th, 26th and 27th, 8 a.m. IST, you need to submit me 3 questions. You have to attempt 3 questions, which is, as I mentioned, I'm going to cover past papers. So Yang and Company, Teal and Company, Knights Electronics. These 3 questions have to be completed by you on ASSA practice platform and then submitted to me on portal. I will evaluate those questions for you. I'll provide you the feedback for those questions, that how are you performing those. And then we are also going to have a first live session on 28th. So in that live session, I'm going to cover the doubts. I'm also going to tell you your mistakes, that these are the mistakes that you did in the particular portion, and then we're going to discuss about that. All right, so that's that. And then the once we are done with that, so here we are done with one topic, and then we are moving towards the next topic, which is evidence, which is part of your internal controls. And that again, I've given 2 days, which is 28th. So technically it would be 27th, because till 27th you'll be done with the practice, and then 27, 28, 29, 30, 4 days for the revision of the risk, for the watching of the lectures, for the, not the lectures, the revision portion of the evidence chapter. Again, all of the topics, I've not taken more than 45 to 1 hour to cover all of these topics individually. All right, so there won't be any lengthy lectures, to be honest, because personally I feel that the lecture should be short and crisp, so that you don't have to waste a lot of time in watching those. You can just watch a 45 minutes lecture, and then you can start preparing for the paper as well, right? Then the next topic, which is systems and controls. Again, this is again part of your internal controls. This should be covered till 1st of July, 1st of August, which is 30th July, 31st July, and then the 1st August. So 3 days you have to complete this topic, which I think is more than enough to complete a 1 hour lecture, right? So that's that. And then now I have also, as I mentioned, that I have integrated my test series in this crash course, in this revision batch. So if you check out the schedule for the test series, you will see that on 3rd August, your deadline for test number 1 ends on 3rd August. So similarly, I've written over here, test 1, which we have already revised, which we have already practiced, I'll be taking test on 3rd of August, right? So till then you can revise, because I've given the test in between, so that sometimes what happens is, I've talked about one topic, I revise that, I take the test then and then we'll move to the next topic, then we do not revise the previous topic. So with this crash course, what I'm doing is I have revised this topic and I take test a little later when you're doing the internal controls. Why? So that you do not forget and you keep on, because if the test is there, you're going to revise the topics, you're going to practice, so that ways you won't be forgetting the previous topic, right? So that is your deadline for the test number 1. Then next chapter, deadline to watch the recordings. Internal audit is a very small portion, not more than 15-20 minutes the recording is for. So again, a very small portion. Then practice of internal controls questions, same 3 past papers, individual, these 3 questions you have to attempt on ACCA practice platform. You have to submit it to me till 6th of August, and then I'll evaluate it, I'll share the check copy with you, and then we're going to have a live session the next day, just 7th of August. Right. And then on again test 2. So test 2 you have for risk and planning. This is the deadline. Similarly, for all of the topics, I have done the same. On 17th, I'm going to have for this particular topic, and then 5th and 6th, your basically test series ends on 21st of August. And again, then this is not for the test series students, this is for you people. I'll be having a live session on 22nd of August to discuss about all of the doubts that you have before mock. So mock, you can attempt with full confidence that you know everything, and then there will be a mock deadline, which is 25th. 27th is the mock 2 deadline, and then again we're going to have a live session on 29th of August. And since your paper is on 1st of September, so you have 2 to 3 days to discuss with me anything that you want to, and then we're going to end the revision batch. So this is how I have planned the revision batch for everybody. And if you think that this is something which can be helpful for you, you can do register for the same. The link will be there to register in the bio. You can check that out. And all of the, if you want any further details regarding the same, you can ask me over WhatsApp, over DM. I'll be more than happy to help you out with that. All the very, very best to all the double students for September 25 attempt, and I hope to see you in my revision batch.